Stop paying monthly cloud storage fees for your smart home security. If you own Blink cameras, you need this one simple device to take back control. First off, you are going to love how this lets you store all your video clips locally on a USB drive instead of paying for a subscription. One user said it completely saved them money every single month. Secondly, setup is a total breeze. It connects to your home network in seconds and syncs all your cameras effortlessly. Another reviewer mentioned that it makes managing multiple cameras from one app so much smoother. Finally, the reliability is a game changer. It keeps your footage secure and accessible even if your internet goes down. Someone else noted their system has never been more stable since adding this module. Don't wait until your free trial runs out. Get the best price today at the link in my description before the price goes up.